Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I hope you do enjoy. And to my oldies but goodies, thank you guys for clicking again and watching and keep on supporting. Thank you so much. So guys, in today's video I am gonna be making vegan egg rolls. I have been craving egg rolls and I found these vegan egg roll wrappers at Publix last week, and I just gotta try making them myself because I don't want to get them from the Chinese store because I'm not really sure what they put in it at the Chinese store. But I've been craving it. I have all the and I look around for recipes or whatever, and I just use it. I found a recipe on the back, but I'm not gonna use that fully. I did add some stuff to it from other recipes that I saw, so I'm just gonna make my own thing, make it very simple and fast. That's the main thing, making it simple. So for this recipe guys, you're gonna need cabbage. I put onions because I love onions. This is the regular yellow onions. I have some chopped green onions, some carrots. Oh my god, it smells so good with all these onions up in here. And then I got some mushrooms. I have some grated ginger here, and instead of soy sauce I'm going to use tamari. I have sesame seed oil and some minced garlic, and that's it guys. I'm just gonna go and get this together and get ready for the frying. I don't want to bake. I don't even want to bake it. I want to fry it to, I don't know, to get the to get the real feel of egg roll, because that's what I want. Alright guys, before further ado, let's get into making these egg rolls. I want this to be quick and fast. Alright guys, so I have sauteed this down and I let it cool off, and now I have the oil going, and now I'm just gonna start the wrapping process, and that will be it. And this is just a bowl of water to just seal the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this process started, roll a few so I could get to put in the oil. This one is terrible. So guys, here we go, frying real good. I know they're a little dark, but that's how I want them. I want them to be crispy, and they are. So yeah guys, so that's it. It was so simple. The wrapping was kind of tedious though, but it's okay. We made it happen. Welcome back. So I am finished with the, as you can see, And now I'm gonna taste it, because guys, this is the first time I'm actually making this, so I'm actually here frying some tofu to make some sandwich tomorrow for my lunch. Alright guys, so taste test. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh, that tastes good, tastes good, tastes good. Alright, let's get into it. Let's get into it. It's bussin', bussin'. I was about to say have a little spice to it, where the spice is coming from, but it's the sweet chili sauce. I love this sauce. I put this sauce on sandwich and everything. I love this sauce. I never had this brand before, but normally I buy it from Trader Joe's, but yesterday I went to Target and I saw this one, so I just bought it. But guys, I'm gonna go and enjoy my egg rolls, vegan egg rolls, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so you can know each time I upload a new video. Until next time guys, see you in the next one. Bye.